This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini AI in Realme. First, understand that Gemini is Google's advanced AI assistant, designed to enhance your Android experience. Realme devices are increasingly integrating AI to boost performance, photography, and personalization. You can typically activate Gemini using voice commands like, "Hey Google," or by configuring a power button gesture. Let's dive into the setup process. Activating Gemini on your Realme phone is straightforward. Begin by downloading the Gemini app directly from the Google Play Store. Once installed, you'll go through an initial setup process. This includes selecting your preferred language and granting necessary permissions for microphone access, contacts, and messages. Finally, you might need to train the assistant to recognize your voice, ensuring seamless hands-free activation with phrases like, "Hey Google." Gemini offers a wide array of smart features to boost your productivity. It can assist you with writing, brainstorming ideas, and even help with learning new topics. You can ask Gemini to summarize emails from Gmail or find quick information within your Google Drive files. Additionally, it can generate images on the fly and provide assistance with content currently displayed on your screen, making your daily tasks much easier. To truly optimize your AI experience, explore Gemini's deeper integrations. It can connect with apps like Google Maps for planning and YouTube for content. You can also use Gemini for quick actions such as setting alarms, controlling your music playback, and making calls hands-free. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals to enhance your daily life. Enjoy your enhanced Realme experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.